Solar energy. Solar energy is a clean and infinite energy source as long as the sun's rays continue to hit Earth. As well as producing energy, this process of collecting solar energy doesn't produce greenhouse gases. Solar power works by converting energy from the sun into power. There are two forms of energy generated from the sun for our use: electricity and heat. Solar panels are usually made from silicon with a metal frame and glass covering. When photons hit the thin layer of silicon, they knock electrons off the silicon atoms. The photovoltaic cell's charge, which is then captured in the panel, flows through the wiring and creates energy. Engineering. When energy from our solar panel flows through the wires into our motor, the motor then turns, causing our car to move. This happens through the small magnetic properties in electrons. Although these properties are weak, it is magnified when in a coil, creating an electromagnet. The attractive and repulsive forces produced by this electromagnet then cause the motor to spin. Next, we went with a lower gear ratio with our car designed to increase the start acceleration, as we found it was the most important in this race. The reason is because in this competition we figured that if our car can start at a faster pace, it would be much more beneficial than to go at a steady pace the whole time. The reason the car accelerates faster is due to a lower gear ratio, giving higher torque. Finally, our car is easily adaptable to apply a solar panel as it is very open air for the wires to be attached and easy to apply to the panel itself. Materials. For our base, we use balsa wood, which is a very lightweight material that can be recycled or reused. It is sturdy enough to withstand all the weight we are going to apply on the car. The next material we used were foam blocks, a very lightweight material that we can recycle and reuse again, and it was easy to incorporate into a design. Straws, another light material that is easily recycled and could hold our axles in place. Next, we used a 3D printed mouse, which is light and accessible at our school, great for the design as well. Motor, axles, solar panel/battery pack, and gears. These were all necessities for the car to function and for us to finish our design. Challenges. Throughout the project, we faced many difficulties that we had to fix, such as a turning car, gear and motor issues, and a lack of ideas for a design. First of all, our turning car. We didn't understand how to fix it and stop it from turning until we unassembled the broken parts and took a deeper look at it. Next, our gear and motor issues. Our car could barely accelerate and the wheels kept rubbing against each other with the gears. However, after reevaluating how we attached our motor and the wheels and gears, we solved our problem. Lack of ideas for a design. During the project, our group struggled to find a design that we liked. However, we came to the conclusion to make it simple and fun. This is our project.